Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Illustrator for jersey design. First, open Illustrator and create a new document, perhaps 1000 by 800 pixels for a good starting size. Next, we'll explore basic shape tools like the rectangle and pen tool to outline your jersey. We'll then fill these shapes with vibrant colors and apply patterns. This easy method will help you create stunning jerseys quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into setting up your workspace. Start by creating a new document, ensuring your artboard is around 1000 by 800 pixels for optimal detail. Then, grab the pen tool to carefully trace the main body of your jersey, focusing on smooth curves. For sleeves and collars, the rectangle tool offers a quick and precise way to add these essential elements. Remember to use the direct selection tool to refine anchor points for a perfect fit. Now let's bring your jersey to life with details. The Pathfinder panel is your best friend for combining or subtracting shapes, creating unique design elements like stripes or panels. Next, use the Type tool to add team names and player numbers, choosing clear, readable fonts. Don't forget to experiment with gradients and textures to give your design a professional, three-dimensional feel. These small touches make a big difference in the final product. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Save your design as a high-resolution PNG or JPEG for sharing or printing, ensuring all your hard work looks crisp. Always remember to save your original Illustrator file as well, so you can easily make future edits or variations. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.